Alright guys, so it is moving day. Today is January 27th. Still in Bangkok, and we're moving to another hotel in Bangkok. We're heading to the Nova Hotel, and we're going to be there for about 3 nights. Then I booked another room in Lat Krabang, which is right near Suvarnabhumi Airport. 3 nights there. I got some business I got to handle out there. I got to drop off some luggage. But real quick, let's just go over this room real quick. You know, this has probably been one of my favorite rooms since I've been here. And we'll just start outside. One thing I love about this room, right, is quiet. You don't hear any traffic. That's the only road to get here. And it's not busy at all. This is Bangkok Hospital here. You could actually hear birds chirping. And there's a little bit of banging going on over there, but not so much. Got a very good washer here. Got a nice dry rack. Only problem is it's very tight squeeze to get in here. And it's hard to squeeze in, so if you're a little bit overweight. They've been pretty strict about this no smoking over here. And I haven't been smoking cigarettes here. I've been obeying. And this bed has been one of the best beds I've had in, I think, if not the best bed I've had in all of my hotel rooms so far. And one thing I loved about this place, man, they gave you 4 pillows. There's 3 right there. Here's the other one. But they give you 4 pillows, which is awesome. I sleep with like 4 or 6 pillows at my house. Nice couch, chair that I actually never even sat in. Then you got enough counter space here. TV that works perfect. Everything is clear picture. Unfortunately, there was no English channels. This is where I have my computer desk, my computer set up, and then they have a computer chair. I mean, it's not the greatest. I felt like I was gonna break it because of how fat I've become, but it's a nice little touch, you know. Down there you got a outlet over there. You got the kitchen over here. You got your basic high power microwave, a full refrigerator, enough utensils to get by, important steam kettle, and more importantly, a coffee mug. So those are 2 things that I really appreciate. Has some basic plates and stuff. Nothing crazy. And oh, that reminds me, I don't want to forget this here. And then let's go check out the bathroom real quick. Just drop this in this bag here. Bathroom was actually really nice. It had a nice shower, nice double head shower, so you could have the rain effect or you could have the hand effect. Came with some shampoo and stuff and towels, and it was nice. Everything was fairly clean and doable, and they even gave you flip-flops. And yeah, this has been a great room. Aircon worked great. If you're interested in this location, it's actually called Alix, A-L-I-X Residences. It's actually called AQ, I believe. AQ Alix Residences. Yeah, it's called AQ Alix Residences. Okay, full name. AQ Alix, A-L-I-X Residences Soon Vijay on 33 Petrabudi Road in the Huai Quang, Bangkok area. And they have a condo, which I'm in now, and then right next door is a hotel. And I believe the rooms look almost identical, if I'm not mistaken, because I could see the billboards from outside and what they're promoting. But honestly, probably one of the best places I've stayed is so far in Bangkok. You know, there was no amenities, no pool, no gym, none of that. Barely even any necessities on site like water. There's 2 vending machines out front, but you do have a Sevs at Bangkok, although that Sevs does not sell alcohol or cigarettes because it's in the hospital. So you want to move here, you can't get your alcohol or cigarettes there. But that's easy enough to just bypass. Anyways, I think I'm paying about $24 a night. I paid about $220 for the week. That was after taxes through Airbnb. And yeah, it's a little expensive to an extent. I mean, not for American prices, because you're paying $100 a night usually in a hotel. but I try to stay in the $15 range. 15 to 20, 20 to 25. I mean, if I'm in the 20 to 25, I'm up there. If I'm paying 30 to 40, I'd probably have one of the best hotels you've ever seen. If you're paying $100 a night in Thailand anywhere, holy shit, you're living in a mansion, villa, on the water, like, balling. But yeah, so we're gonna move to a slightly less nice hotel. Supposedly they have a steam room and a pool, so I'm gonna make use of that steam room. And after that, I forget the name of the third hotel. But yeah, we'll check out the next hotel. This hotel room's been good to me. It's given me some quality rest and some quality experiences. I was able to experience the river canals and learn the river canals and just kind of get familiar with this part of Bangkok that I would have never really seen before. So it's nice, you know, it's a good area. So anyways, cheers to that, guys. We'll see you in the next segment. What's up, guys? We made it to the next hotel, and I just want to say it's not a good one, but it's all right. I'm only there for 3 nights. I can live with it for 3 days. And where I'm at now, I'm in Bangkok now. Don't know the name of this street. Maybe I'll post it in the text right here, something like that. But I'm just getting a feel for my area. Seems like a interesting part of Bangkok. There's a lot of action, a lot of stalls, a lot of locals. And I would have never been in this place before had I not randomly picked this hotel. Now this is, I think, considered the Bangkok area, but it's deep in the cut. I mean, look at these buildings. Like, I imagine what it'd be like to live in these buildings, you know? It's just where we're at. That's a picture right there, huh? I feel like that's a good photo op. Look at that, that's crazy. Let me see something here. Basically, I'm on the hunt for a purple ATM. Why? I don't know, I just trust the purple ones. I noticed there's just a lot of green ones around here. I'm walking pretty far here already. Not really, but I already tell like I'm gonna probably get lost going back just because I'm gonna miss the turn. It all looks the same. Alright guys, it's getting a little bit kind of not fun this end. Probably gonna double back. I think I saw a purple ATM. It looks like it's down a little bit of an alley, but we're just gonna hope it doesn't steal my card. And then yeah, we're gonna keep it moving. I don't really want to sit in my shitty room, so I gotta figure out something to do. So we got a new plan of action, but just check out what I just saw out the corner of my eye. Ooh. Look at that. That is sexy. That is sexy. Here in Washi Cardio Town, and I feel like CB Media's got to have been here before. Hit the lamp. top. Yep. Okay, anyways, that thing's drifting. Certainly. So, okay, sorry about that. So, we're gonna go to a nearby sauna spa. It's less than a kilometer away. So I'm gonna walk there and I'm gonna go sweat and then ice. And then I think for dinner, we're going Italian again. This place seems like it's probably an amazing place for some tortillas, some noodles, both noodles. I'll go there eventually. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna bust this left, and then we're gonna hang a quick right, and then it shouldn't be too far. But this, the name of this road is, I looked it up before, I already forgot. San Puat? No, it's something, no, I don't think it's that. I have to look up again. Yeah, in New York City, this. Just left the sauna. The sauna's name was Serena Karin Sauna. And it costs 280 baht for a one-time use. You can stay there as long as you like. They have food, they even have alcohol. They give you some free, I think it was unripe mango and some like lentils, bowl of cold lentils, which I thought was strange, but they were all right. Sauna had 2 big fire pits with automatic misters on the coals, but then all the Thai people just pouring fucking garden pourers, which you use to water your garden over it. And I was definitely the only foreigner in there by far. It was all Thai people. I didn't see any other Russians or any type of foreigner. I was the only one. Nobody gave me a problem. Nobody said nothing to me. Nobody even looked at me funny. And now we're just walking back, but yeah, for the 280 baht, it's definitely worth it, because you feel like $1 million coming out of the sauna steam room like that, where it's so hot that only 5 minutes in each one is you're melting. So that one, thumbs up for sure. It's not far from where I'm staying at the Lenova Hotel, which sucks, by the way. It's not the worst in the world, but it's certainly not great. What makes me angry is on the listing they had a steam room listed in the amenities. That's the reason I picked that place. Had it not said that, I probably wouldn't have picked it, but it is what it is. So yeah, we're gonna head back to the crib now, take a quick shower, and then I think we're gonna go check out a different Italian restaurant tonight. I don't know why I'm feeling Italian. I've just been eating a lot of Thai food. I don't really want any like pizza, and I don't want any fast food. I want to explore Thailand's cuisine without having it to be Thai every single time. And I'm pretty far away from some of the special places I wanted to go eat, like Je Ochula, and yeah, there's another one, I forget the name. But yeah, so that's the plan. So hopefully dinner's good, and we'll probably pick up filming over there. All right, so we just took a motorbike taxi, and we made it to our destination, which is right here. It's called Ripasos. It was just an Italian restaurant that was in my, go ahead, sorry. It's an Italian restaurant in my vicinity, and from where I stay currently. And it had a good rating, like close to 5, 4.9, 4.8, whatever. And it wasn't super expensive. And I'm in the mood for some Italian food. I don't know what it is, but Italian food is done very well out here in Thailand. I mean, Italian is a lot of pasta, you know what I mean? So what's Thailand? A lot of noodles. So if you gotta have good pasta to compete with the good noodles. I mean, it's just natural, right? You know, we got a little view of the traffic going on behind me. But yeah. So I just ordered a cheese plate and a glass of wine. We're gonna look at, oh, I saw these mixed vegetables, grilled mixed vegetables on the menu. I think I'm gonna order those. I looked this place up online. So I looked at the menu first. That's how I know what I'm looking at. Alright, so we'll keep it moving. This is some wine from Chile. This little beep sound on the GoPro makes everything so much easier and better already. I could talk to myself all day, easy for sure. So these are real vegetables. It's eggplant, zucchini, and looks like carrots and peppers. It smells delicious. Along with this homemade fettuccine alfredo, basically a red tomato sauce with chili. That looks good. Very light, very delicate. The sauce is nice, spicy but not overly